Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. As you know that we have done 6 rules, and before starting our every lesson I have to take your test, and today I am going to take your oral test. It's not written, so what you have to do, I'll say the word and you will guess the rule number. Should we start our test? Okay, it will take only 1 minute to guess. You can pause the video, you can check the word, and after that you can assess yourself कि how many marks you have got in your test. So let's start. So my first word is funny. Pause the video and guess. Okay, next one is trader. Third is iron. Next is energy. And last is check. I have given you 5 words. As I've told you कि आप पॉज करें वीडियो को और चेक करें कि आप लोगों ने सही गेस किया है कि नहीं किया. And if you have got 5 out of 5 marks, so then your learning is really nice. But if you have made any mistake, तो बेटा just pause the video right now and put out your Iqra Join Handwriting series. Learn the rules and so that you can not make mistake next time. Is that clear? So that's our today test. Now let's move to our topic. Okay, so this is about today's work, and as you know that students, you have learnt about magic E in your previous classes. You have learnt about magic E in your prep 6, remember? Okay, what does the magic E do? Yes, magic E converts the first sound into second one. Yes, so what we have to do, and as you know that magic E also does not have any sound. Magic E की अपनी तो कोई sound नहीं होती, लेकिन magic E की वजह से first sound second sound में change हो जाती है. Remember or not? Okay, let's take a look on the example so that you get to know how first sound changes into second sound with the help of magic E. Because today's rule is related to this, so we have to look at the examples to understand the rule. So look at the first word. Here we have Tim, and remember अगर हम इसके अनग्लू करें वर्ड्स को तो इसमें कौन सी वाली साउंड आ रही है? ठ ए तो हेयर आई की कौन सी साउंड आ रही है? इट्स फर्स्ट साउंड ऑफ आई, टिम. एंड इफ़ वी ऐड मैजिक ई विद इट, अगर टिम में हम मैजिक ई को ऐड कर दें तो व्हाट विल हैपन? फर्स्ट साउंड विल चेंज इनटू सेकंड साउंड. मैजिक ई की अपनी तो कोई भी साउंड नहीं है, बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मैजिक ई फर्स्ट साउंड विल चेंज इनटू सेकंड साउंड, जैसा कि हम लोग देख सकते हैं. सो द टिम विल बिकम टाइम. ए आई फर्स्ट साउंड चेंजेस इनटू second sound. So that is clear. Now look at the second example. Here we have word rat. Rat. It's the first sound here, and it will add magic E in it. So what? Rat will change into rate, as you can see on the board. First sound change into second sound just because of magic E. Rat, rate. Okay, let's have a look on the next example. Here we have word kit. As you can say, अगर इसको भी हम अनग्लू करके देखें तो फर्स्ट साउंड जो आई की है, इसमें आई की फर्स्ट साउंड है ए, और अगर इसमें भी मैजिक ही ऐड कर दें तो फर्स्ट साउंड विल बी चेंज इनटू सेकंड साउंड एंड द वर्ड विल बिकम किट, बिकम काइट. Clear? Now look at the last example. Here we have word tub. Tub. And here we have the first sound of U, and if we'll add magic E into it, the tub will change into tube. Is that clear? So we get to know from all these examples that first sound changes into second sound just because of magic E. Is that clear? Eh say I. Is that clear? Eh say I. When magic E jumps over M, to A say I. So this is our rule number 7, job 1. Okay. And one more thing which I would like to tell you before going towards our rule number 7, job 1. जो अभी तक हमने रूल्स किए थे उनकी कोई भी जॉब नहीं थी, लेकिन जो अब रूल हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं उसकी 5 जॉब्स भी हैं. तो हम लोग रूल का नंबर तो लिखेंगे, साथ में जॉब भी मेंशन करेंगे कि इसकी जॉब क्या है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द रूल. So this is a rule number 7, job 1. Time E jumps over M. Here we are taking first example. टाइम की एग्जाम्पल हम लोग ले रहे हैं और टाइम ही की एग्जाम्पल से लिखा हुआ है कि E jumps over M. Yes, E jumps over M to make A say I. E jumps over M to make A say I. यानी कि फर्स्ट साउंड चेंजेस इनटू सेकंड साउंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मैजिक E. Is that clear? So this is a rule number 7, job 1. First sound changes into second sound just because of magic E. A say I. एग्जाम्पल्स भी जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ के देखी थी, फिर से एक बार देख लेते हैं आफ्टर रीडिंग द रूल. टिम टाइम, rat rate, kit kite, tub tube. Clear to all? A say I. So that's all about our rule number 7, job 1. Let's now move towards our copywriting. So now I'm going to write first word for you. See it carefully and you have to write in the same way. So let's write rate. Formation of R should be good. Hold your pen properly. It's not good. Let me erase it. Formation of A should be good. There should be triangle. Tall upswing should be good. And write it like this. This is our first word. Now let's move toward next one. I'm writing spade. See it carefully. Formation of words should be good. There should be proper distance and equal distance between the alphabets. Triangle should be on the proper place. Tall upswing should be good. And formation of the word should be accurate like this. So let's move to another one. Now let's write expire. Formation of X should be good. There should be proper distance. Write it carefully. Here I have made mistake. There should be equal size of writing. कोई ऊपर लाइन से या नीचे नहीं जाएगा. So I have corrected. Okay, let's write it properly. Like this. Okay students, as you know, I have made mistake here and I have corrected it, but you are doing your work with your pen, so you should have to be very careful while you are writing. Okay, do not try to make any mistake while you are writing. Clear? Okay, let's move towards our examples and then we will write on copy. Okay, let's have the look at the first word is rate. As you can see, it also has second sound of a, and its meaning is a fixed price paid or charged for something. जैसा कि आप लोगों को पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा होगा. So this is clear. Okay, now look at the next one is pride, and its meaning is feeling of deep pleasure or satisfaction is called pride. जैसे कि पिक्चर में भी आप लोगों को नज़र आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कोड, अ सिस्टम ऑफ वर्ड्स, लेटर, फिगर्स एंड सिम्बल्स यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट सीक्रेसी. तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कोड. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत से लोगों ने अपने मोबाइल का भी कोई कोड लगाया होता है, अपने घर के लॉक का कोई कोड लगाया होता है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कोड, जो सीक्रेसी के लिए यूज़ होता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ एक्यूट, एंड द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्यूट, जैसे कि पिक्चर में भी नज़र आया है, एक्यूट एंगल लेस देन 90 जो एंगल होता है दैट इज़ एक्यूट एंगल. क्लियर. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ स्पेड, एंड स्पेड जैसा कि पिक्चर में नज़र भी आ रहा है. लेट मी टेल यू द मीनिंग ऑल्सो. इट्स अ टूल विद द मेटल blade used for digging the soil also. मेटल ब्लेड का ये टूल होता है जो कि यूज़ होता है सॉइल को डिग करने के लिए. पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ एक्सपायर, यानी कि कम टू द एंड पीरियड ऑफ वैलिडिटी. कम टू द एंड ऑफ द पीरियड ऑफ वैलिडिटी, यानी कि किसी चीज़ की जो मियाद है वो ख़त्म हो जाना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एक्सपायर. हम कहते हैं ना कि फ़लाँ चीज़ की एक्सपायरी डेट चेक कर लें, वो गुज़र तो नहीं गई. मैन्युफैक्चर डेट भी देखते हैं और एक्सपायर डेट भी देखते हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एक्सपायर. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ रोज़. रोज़ इज़ अ फ्लावर and it's a beautiful flower. Okay, it's the name of a flower. Next one is introduce, यानी कि bring a subject to the attention of for the first time. Bring a subject bring a subject to the attention for the first time is called introduce. And let's have example. I would like to introduce you to my siblings, so that is called introduce. Now that's all with the examples. Now let's write on the writing series. Don't forget to write date while you are starting your work, and let me write pride first for you. Formation of the word should be good. There should be proper distance, and size of the alphabet should be same, like this. Now let's write another one. Code, like this. Okay, let me write another word. Spade for you. And last one is rose. Clear? So that's all. Now let's revise all rules which we have done. So what is our rule number 1? Rule number 1 is Q is always followed by U. Rule number 2 is C before E, I and Y may say S. And rule number 3 is G before E, I and Y may say J. दोनों एक तरह से हैं, बस डिफरेंस है C and S and G and J का. Okay, now rule number 4 is A, E, O and U say their name at the end of syllable. Remember? And rule number 5 is I and Y say the I and Y usually say A but may say I at the end of syllable. And next one is rule number 6, why not I at the end of English words. And today we have done rule number 7, which is E jumps over M to make rule number 7 job 1. Yes, job also. It is very important, you have to mention the job also. E jumps over M to make A say I. So that's all. Don't forget to memorize your lesson and learn your difficult words as well. और अपना काम भी बहुत अच्छे और नीटली कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.